These are all going to be in 3D this time. It's a 3D camera. Bye.
Hello, my friend. To make sure your expedition is a safe one, stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. And be sure to watch your step.
Oh, do you want this record, Daniel? Just anything and everything, aye? Roger that. Yo. Is it? I might as well just keep it on my lips. Oh. I'm gonna get drenched. I'm wearing the correct feetwear for this though. Alright. I would say around about $900 to $1,000, something like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, great. Great. Oh. Holy oh. Just a bit. Oh. I'm soaking wet. Oh, oh, yeah, okay. Oh, oh, that was freezing. That was close. Oh. Soaking. Oh. Thank you. That was awesome. Oh, I'm drenched. I think I got the brunt of it there, like.